Hello and welcome to this new video on my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to create your own Windows 11 Insider Preview ISO file. So let's get started. At first you need to open up your web browser, then navigate to the page uuppdump.net. This page allows you to create ISO files directly from the Windows Update service. Click on Search for Builds and type Windows 11. Then click on the search icon. You will see different versions of Windows 11. In my case, I'll choose the Windows 11 Insider Preview. Make sure to select the right architecture for your system. In my case, it's x64. On this page, you can choose your desired language. Simply select your language from the drop-down menu. I'll select English United States. Now choose your desired edition. It will say Windows 10 Home for example, but it means Windows 11 Home. This goes for the other entries as well. I'll select Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Pro. Now make sure that it says Download and Convert to ISO, and uncheck the option Integrate Updates when available. Then click on Create Download Package. Save the zip file somewhere you will find it. Now, once the download has finished, right click on the zip file and select Extract All. Once the zip file has been extracted, you can delete the zip file. Go into the extracted folder. There you'll find a file for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. If you use Linux or Mac OS, use one of the other files. I'll use the Windows one. Simply double click on it. If this dialog appears, simply click on More Info and Run anyway. Here you will get a prompt which tells you that this app wants to make changes to your computer. Simply click on Yes. And now the download has already started. It takes some time for this download to complete, so yeah, depending on your internet connection, this may take some time. I will simply do a fast forward here. So, it's now running the last checksum test and yeah, download completed. But we are not done yet. The screen will turn blue and it will continue with the next step. In this step, it will package the downloaded packages into an ISO file. This ISO file can be used to install Windows 11 afterwards. This step takes another few minutes, depending on your PC's power. So we'll do another fast forward here. as you can see, the ISO creation is now almost finished. Yeah, there you go, it says done. And now you can press 0 to exit the program. And as you can see, there is your Windows 11 ISO file. You can do whatever you want with it. You can put it on a DVD or an USB stick, for example. I will just mount the file locally on my computer and see if it's really a Windows 11 ISO file. So I run the setup.exe application, confirm the administrator prompt of course, and there you go. As you can see, the setup has the new Windows 11 logo, and yeah, it says install Windows 11. So there you go, there is your Windows 11 installation ISO file. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like, and if you have any questions left or any problems, simply write them in the comments down below, and yeah, see you next time.